Here we are, back again with more testing, more vaccination protocol changes, this time from Holland America, but these ones really shouldn't surprise you because they're right in line with Carnival and Princess Cruise Lines and what they have already done. But for those that are fans of Holland America, you're going to like these as well. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. And we are back, like I said, with some testing and vaccination updates, this time from Holland America. So we're going to start off with testing requirements, and Holland America has announced that they are dropping the testing requirement for fully vaccinated passengers on sailings of 16 nights or less. They said, just like we saw from Carnival, just like we've seen from Princess Cruise Lines, vaccinated passengers, 16 nights or less, no testing is going to be required, with a couple of exceptions. So, sailings that are going out of Australia, Greece, and Canada will still require the pre-cruise test. Sailings that are 16 nights or more will still require the pre-cruise test. And then on some select sailings, some Panama Canal cruises, some transatlantic cruises, will also require a pre-cruise test, though the majority of those are 16 days or longer. And unvaccinated passengers will still have to take a pre-cruise COVID-19 test taken within 72 hours of embarkation day, regardless of the cruise length. Now, Holland America is also dropping the vaccination requirement, which will now allow unvaccinated passengers to sail on board Holland America. And their only requirement will be that pre-cruise test taken within 72 hours of embarkation. Unvaccinated can now sail on Holland America, and vaccinated passengers will no longer require a COVID-19 test taken prior to embarkation on sailings that are 16 days or less, with those exceptions of Canada, Australia, Greece, and select transatlantic Panama Canal cruises, but like I said, are generally longer than 16 days. And this is just exactly what we saw from Carnival Cruise Lines, exactly what we saw from Princess Cruise Lines. So these changes to Holland America, no real big surprise. They fall right in line with what the others are already doing, but wanted to get that information out to you in case you enjoy sailing on Holland America. It's your cruise line of choice. Just to know you now have additional options with them as well. All right, I hope you have enjoyed this quick cruise news video. If you have, do me a favor and give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Lets you know anytime a video like this one comes out. Hope everyone out there is having a really great day. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.